Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 198. He will have to pay special attention to the sinking fund, an amount which is annually set aside out of revenue and invested with the interest accruing to provide at a future for the redemption of a loan or a series of debentures or for recouping the gradual shrinkage in value by exhausting the known profit bearing resources of a mine or similar undertaking. When taking up stocks and shares, he will, of course, be influenced by interim dividends and whether the stocks and shares are cum dividend or ex dividend, and in some cases, after much trouble and some worry, he may receive a letter of regret. In the case of companies being floated, he must notice if the stock exchange is giving a special settlement. Certainly, the investment of money so as to produce a satisfactory return is no easy matter, and whether convertible gold bonds or guaranteed preference shares are held, it is necessary to exercise the greatest caution. Even the most astute investor may be deceived at times by prospectuses, and balance sheets may fail to reveal the true state of affairs of a company. Full stop.